Hi, boys and girls. Today, your first lesson is going to be on median. How to find it, what it is, and how to use it when you're doing data. Let's take a look at the word first, median. What is median? Well, median is just one way to find the average for a group of numbers that you are given. The median is the number exactly in the middle. Let's take a look at how that works. Here we have three numbers in order. We have 6, 8, and 10. Now these numbers could be anything from your test scores weekly. Let's say one week you got 6 correct, one week you got 8 correct, and one week you got 10 correct. In order to find the average for this set of numbers, or the median, you could find the middle number. The middle number of 6, 8, and 10 would be number 8. 8 falls directly in the middle of that group of numbers. Therefore, 8 is the median for this group of numbers. Let's take a look a little bit closer. Okay. To find the median, you must do two things. The first thing that you must do is to put the numbers in order from the smallest to the largest. Here you can see I have a set of numbers: 6, 3, 1, 4, and 5. Now these numbers are not necessarily given to me in order, but in order to find the median, you absolutely must put them in order. So let's go ahead and put those in order. The numbers then become 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? Now that I have them in order, your second step is to cross out the smallest and the largest number. Then repeat this until the middle is found. So here's your set of numbers. You're going to cross out the smallest and the largest. Then you're going to repeat this again, the smallest and the largest, until you have simply one number left in the middle. That becomes your median. The median for this group of numbers is 4. Pretty simple. 2 simple steps. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at a way that you can practice this. Okay, here I have a set of numbers. Go ahead and write these numbers in your book. I'll give you a minute. Okay, the numbers are 6, 3, 2, and 5. Now remember, step 1 said that we had to put those numbers in order. So we're going to take these numbers and put them in order. 2, I like to put a little cross there so I know that I've used that number. 3, cross that out. 5, cross that out. And 6, cross that out. Now that you have the numbers in order in your book, the second step is to cross out the largest number and the smallest number until you hit the middle. Smallest number, largest number. Oh, wait a minute. If I cross out the smallest and the largest, I will have 0 left. I have to know exactly what is in the middle of these two numbers. The exact middle of these two numbers, what number comes between 3 and 5, is 4. Sometimes you're going to notice that the median isn't really even listed as one of the numbers. If you have a group of numbers like this, if you cross out the 3 and the 5, you are left with nothing. So you have to figure out what number comes between 3 and 5. What number falls exactly in the middle? That is the definition of median, exactly in the middle. Let's go ahead and take a look at this set of numbers over here. Go ahead and write these numbers in your books. Okay, now we're going to work on the first step, which is putting them in order. You must always put them in order. So we have a 0, a 1, another 1. This is why I crossed them out in case I forget one. A 2, a 3, and a 4. Okay, now that I have these group of numbers in order, I will go ahead and begin step 2 of my process for finding median. I will cross out the smallest, then the largest, the smallest, then the largest. Same thing's going to happen here. I can't cross out the smallest and the largest and end up with nothing, so I have to figure out what number comes right between 1 and 2. Now if I think in my number line what number comes between 1 and 2, I'm going to have to use a half. 1 and a half actually comes between numbers 1 and 2. So my median is 1 1/2. Okay. Now I'm going to list a set of numbers here, and I want you to practice this one on your own and bring it to class with you when you come. Okay, let's go ahead and list these numbers. I want you to do this at home, please. 3, 8, 4, and 6. Go ahead and complete this at home. Bring it with you to class tomorrow. Also write down any questions that you may have about finding median. We will discuss these tomorrow in class. Have a good night.